Hello everyone, and welcome back to ScrubsTutors. I want to extend a sincere thank you to all of our subscribers and supporters. Whether you're just beginning nursing school, preparing for exams, completing clinical rotations, or getting ready for graduation, we truly appreciate you being part of our growing community. Your trust and support inspire us to continue creating valuable educational content designed to help you succeed. If you're new to the channel, welcome. At ScrubsTutors, our mission is to support nursing students throughout their academic and clinical journey. We provide educational guidance on iHuman case studies, comprehensive SOAP note development, nursing assignments, care plans, clinical documentation, NCLEX preparation, and even support with proctored exams. Our goal is to simplify complex topics, strengthen your clinical reasoning skills, and help you build confidence as a future healthcare professional. Be sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our community of dedicated nursing students and professionals. Together, we'll work toward academic excellence, clinical competence, and success in your nursing career. Thank you for watching, and let's get started.